Amazon's official terms of service is that you can have one account per marketplace. Let's just get off of that. One account per marketplace. So one account here in Australia, amazon.com.au, one account in the UK, amazon.co.uk, etc., etc. Okay, so that's the official thing. In some instances, they will let you have a second account, but it is rare. Now, there is a black hat strategy you can use to get a second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth account. Most folks don't really understand why that would be useful, so let me show you with a demonstration. Here is Google, and which is just another search engine like Amazon, and so I've done a search for probate lawyer Sydney. Now, those ads at the top there, number 1, 2, 3, if you owned all of those web properties, you would get 90% of the search volume on Google for your particular business, okay? So this is something I used to do as an affiliate marketer. I used to do a ton of black hat stuff, and one thing I always used to do was have 3, 4, 5 different Google accounts, and you're only allowed one, but I would have 5 of them up to, and I would just dominate the search engine results page, which is this, so that no matter what you clicked on, I was getting paid. That was my philosophy. I don't care what you click on, I want to own it so that I get paid. That was my philosophy. So the way that you do that, and this is absolutely against Amazon's terms of service, all right? So do it at your own peril. And the way that you do it, is with secondary companies. So here in Australia, for instance, you can have Joe's Amazon Business Pty Ltd. Well, you can also set up Emma's Amazon Business Pty Ltd at a different registered office with a different email address, with a different everything, different bank account, different everything, different directors. Everything is different, all right? Super important, even to the point where you access one Amazon account using what's called a VPN and use a different VPN for another account. So that's how you do it. I'm not going to go too deeply into it because for most people, stick with one, you'll be A-OK. Once you get much more advanced, then there are definitely times when having more than one Amazon account can be, just like I've just shown you with the Wills example, extremely interesting to dominate the search engine results page. So I hope that helps, Narelle. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.